Alfred Hitchcock would be proud of me. I'm filming a sequel to The Birds. You see, I started drawing some mouflon, and just then our tiny grass parrot flew in. He hopped out of the nest box a few days ago, and he's still a bit wobbly. He was testing whether the drawing was edible. To his disappointment, it wasn't. A moment later, a wild little chase broke out with Daddy Parrot, who noticed the little one was hungry. Then the grass parrots decided the best idea would be to stomp around on my drawing. I tried to keep painting, but the top of the paper turned into a buffet, and the middle turned into a dance floor. The little one tried tasting it again, so I picked him up onto my finger instead. He didn't like that and decided he'd rather sip my watercolor paint. So I arrested him and put him back in his little home. I finished the painting without any more interruptions, but honestly, it didn't turn out well. So I'd rather not show it off too much. Instead, let me show you a few family videos from the life of our little parrot family. The mother bird hatched the eggs and fed the baby for a while, but then she stopped. So my husband and I started feeding the little one ourselves. Luckily, Daddy still helped out a bit with the feeding. Sometimes he stole the baby's food, but he often feeds her too. So we're hoping our little parrot will have a lovely life, and that she'll grow up to be a sweet little bird. Do you have an idea what we could name this tiny little bird? Let me know in the comments.